So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll cover the lab video intelligence quick start. First of all, click on start lab, launch with credits. Now open cloud console in incognito window. Make sure all the other windows are closed, and now open cloud console in incognito window. So now in my case it is getting signed in automatically. In case you need a username and password, you can refer to the lab instruction. And I agree and continue. Now you need to activate the cloud shell. So for that you need to click the button here like this just before the bell icon. In the description box I've shared one GitHub repo, so do check it out and run the command. Now wait for this command to execute and let's check my progress for all the tasks. Make sure like the video and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see, we got the score. For task number 2 it takes time to update the score, so please wait for some time and try. As you can see, we got the full score. We are done with this lab. Thank you guys. Do like, share and subscribe.